Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a quality fertilizer in Heartopia. So just go to your workbench and then next just choose this quality fertilizer recipe, this one. But first you must have the recipe, the fertilizer recipe. But sorry, in here I forgot about how to get this recipe. And if I'm not mistaken, you can get it at the gardening hobby rewards. So just try to level up your gardening hobby, and then after that, after you get this recipe, just complete all the ingredients or materials on here. You need the wood and then rare timber, and then after that just adjust the amount that you want to craft or that you want to make, and then next just simply tap on craft. And just like that you will get the quality fertilizer, and you can just use it to grow your crops with the best quality. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.